everybody, I just got done cleaning this kitchen and it looks so much better than it's before. So if you need some motivation, then keep on watching.
So that we can look at them all night. Just keep holding me, don't let me go. Everything's so magical. All I need is you tonight. If I shut my eyes, keeping them closed, all the senses explodes. You and me under the sky. Let's stay up all night, give our hearts a new beginning.
We're gonna hop right into this clean with me, and ready, set, go.
Didn't waste our time, didn't sleep as much as now. Let's stay up all night.
So I'm not going to talk much throughout this video, but I do want to say, for those of you who saw me put that baking soda inside of the dishwasher and you're like, what did she just do? I did that because it's a little tip and trick. If you're ever out of dishwashing liquid, what you can do is add a little dish soap and baking soda inside of your dishwasher, and then you just run it like you normally would, and it works just as good. So as you guys can see right here, I'm cleaning out my husband's lunchbox, and he comes home sometimes and his lunchbox is filthy. He has a very dirty job, and so he just, every time he comes home, the door handles are dirty, his clothes are filthy. I mean, it is just so crazy how much dirt is on everything he touches. So let me know down below, do you have a husband or somebody you know that just works in such a dirty job?
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won.
So I want to try out a new cleaner for you guys to show you guys and share this new cleaner that I found with you. But I ended up not liking this Simple Green all-purpose cleaner. It just wasn't good. It smelled really bad. So there you go, guys. Just, I wouldn't buy it if you haven't already.
That shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better. And baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone. But I'm just fine, I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright.
Okay, so as you guys can see, I started from the top of the kitchen. I started with the microwave, I started with the counters, and I put away all the dishes, and then I went down to the bottom. So that is one of the best, and I think the perfect way to clean is just to start from the top, do everything that you need to get done on the top, and then go to the bottom, because as you're cleaning up top, all of these crumbs and everything that's on top is going to fall to the bottom anyways, and so that's what you want to do, is clean it last.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at
Guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys were motivated. I hope you guys cannot wait for the next one, because I have so much more motivation coming your way. Alright guys, I will see you next time. And remember, you can do it. Don't be intimidated by anyone else. Don't be intimidated by me. You can keep your house clean. If there's an area that you need to work on it. Get some motivation. Watch some more videos of mine, or watch anybody's video. You can do it. Alright guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.